Lights, camera, inspiration. Welcome to podcast 3, right from BPSD studio. Some students chase success, but some define it. Today we present a name that made the entire city proud. Introducing Nitika Bansal from Birla Public School, Sri Ganganagar. Shining star who secured an outstanding 98.6% in Class 10 CBSE board examination, topping not just only in the school but the entire Ganganagar city. A warm welcome to Nitika Bansal.
Thank you.
A perfect blend of dedication, determination and discipline, Nitika has set a benchmark for the entire aspiring students. From topping the school to leading the entire city, her journey is nothing short of inspiring. Nitika, 98.6%. What was the first thought in your mind when you saw the result?
As soon as I saw the result, my brain was totally fogged due to all the happiness, curiosity and excitement. I was excited and happy due to such a high percentage, and at the same time I was curious about the percentage of all my other classmates as well as the toppers of other schools. I was constantly at calls with the teachers and my parents and principals. So it was a little chaotic but at the same time happy and delightful.
Okay, be honest, what's the real secret of your amazing score?
Amazing secret of the score, I believe, is discipline, consistency and concentrated studies. Like, you need to be consistent throughout your year. For example, if you don't have time today, you study for half an hour, it's enough, don't worry, but study daily. Don't skip like it's Sunday, I don't need to study, or don't do something like that. Study consistently. Be disciplined and focus upon your goals, and study such that if you study that you remember. You need to be concentrated during your studies. You know, like you are studying for 2 hours but you remember something that you studied for only 15 minutes. That's not enough. You need to be concentrated throughout the time period you are studying. So, yeah.
Timetable person or a last minute hustle?
Timetable person, because I made an organized timetable from the starting. I used to study consistently, someday 1 hour, someday half an hour as well, someday 2 hours, but during the board examination I made an organized timetable about the subjects and the time period I need to allot to them.
You have been a part of this school since for a quite long time, and since we have you been here, so how did this environment help you to achieve this?
I've been part of Birla Public School Ganganagar since 2022. That is, I joined here in grade 7, and the environment here is academic as well as supportive, and I've been provided proper support from all the teachers, principal sir especially, and you know, like the teachers were one call away. I used to call them even during nights and I used to ask my doubts and they used to clear them so nicely. Like, I have all my gratitude towards my teachers. I give the credit of my success to teachers and principals.
Exam. That means a stress for most of the students. How did you stay calm?
If I am true, I would like to say that I was nervous during the examinations, as it was the first time I attempted any kind of board examination, a national examination. So I was nervous. Like, you know, I used to get panicked before the examination. I used to gulp up so many glasses of water. But, you know, like my mother, my brother Nikhil and my parents supported me. And when I used to reach the center, the teachers were there. They used to calm me down and they used to say, your preparation is something that will, you know, lead to your success. So don't panic, remain calm and give your paper.
One mistake that students should avoid at all the costs.
By remaining inconsistent and by getting overconfident during good marks during the pre-board examinations. So what I saw in my classmates, that they were inconsistent. You know, like in the starting of the year, they did not study. They were like, abhi 10 shuru hui hai and what's the need to study? But at the end time, the pressure was so much that they collapsed under such great and mighty syllabus. And at the same time, I also saw that many of my classmates got very good marks in pre-boards but did not get the same benchmark during the board examinations because they got overconfident during the pre-boards and then they stopped studying. So you should avoid that.
And finally, one golden tip for the future aspiring students.
Follow the 3 Ds: discipline, dedication and determination.
Nitika Bansal, a name that proves that hard work isn't a story, it creates a history. And that's the spirit of a true champion, from determination to discipline. The journey reminds that success isn't a magic, it's the consistency. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories of toppers, achievers and game changers, because your story could be the next. And don't go anywhere, because there is much more happening in BPSD and that we will bring it out to you soon. So, stay inspired and stay connected. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.